Hey, Ananian The Car Doctor. We're here in the Bay putting a starter in this '09 Honda CRV. This bolt here sits in the back of the starter. You can't see it once it goes up. All right, it's going to sit way up top, and it's kind of it's the bolt you feel for. So what I do is just a little trick. When I get it out, all right, I'll put that bolt in, and I put a rubber band, just a real thin rubber band around the ear of the starter. It holds the bolt in place just enough so it won't fall out. I also oil my threads. I always oil my threads on steel bolts, especially when I've got a steel bolt going into an aluminum housing. Here's the bottom starter bolt. Not a lot, just give it a drink, all right? Just enough to get it wet, and you'll find it spins in a whole lot easier. And if you ever have to take it out, it spins it out. Makes life much, much easier on removal should you ever have to do it again. But you see, once this starter is up, and if I can, you get the idea, it's going to be up top. Okay, you can't see that bolt anymore. The starter's got to get in better position. But just a tip. I thought you might like to see that rubber band trick, and then when you tighten it down, the rubber band will just break apart and it'll get crushed on contact and it won't bother anything. So just remember that. It makes it a whole lot easier than trying to fish that bolt in from behind where you can't see it. That's it for today. I'm Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.